Hello guys, magandang tanghali. Nagluto tayo ng pork humba guys. Kakaiba yung pork humba natin guys kasi may siling pang sigang. Ayan, may laurel at may sibuyas at bawang at durog ng paminta at pangpasarap. Ayan, may sugar. Ayan guys, niluluto natin siya sa first your cooker para mabilis lumambot. Ayan guys, huwag niyo kalimutan si Joy subscribe, like and share and comment. Ayan guys, at isasalang na natin yung guys sa kalan. At 15 minutes lang guys, malambot na siya sa first your cooker. Ayan guys, bye bye, see you next video. Ayan guys, ayan na ang finished product. Nilagyan pa natin siya ng egg. Ayan, pork humba with egg at may ceiling green. Ayan guys, wala ang beans yan guys. Hindi natin nalagyan kasi wala tayong available dito sa bahay guys. Ayan guys, at pinakulo lang natin yan. Yung nilagay natin yung egg, pinakulo natin para mawala yung yung hindi siya mapanis guys. Ayan guys, at bye-bye. God bless you. Maraming salamat Lord sa mga binibigay mo sa aming blessing sa pagkain namin. At huwag niyo kalimutan si Joy is subscribe and like and share at heart. At bye-bye. God bless you all. See you next video. Hello guys, magandang tanghali. Ayan na ang pork humba natin with egg. Ayan guys, may may siling haba guys. At subukan nyo magluto guys at masarap yan guys. At huwag nyo kalimutan si Joy, like and share at subscribe at bye bye.